Hello everyone, how are you doing? Zatiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to install your display adapter in your Windows 10 and Windows 11 for more options. Right click in the desktop and select display settings and scroll down and select custom resolution. One click and select this. Click on close, go to the start menu and select right click and click on device manager. Scroll down in display adapters, one click in your display, Microsoft Basic Display Adapter or your model of your display. Right click and select update driver. Select the first option, scan automatically for drivers, and click on next install, and you can show this option the best drivers for your device already installed, and click on close. And to apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart. Don't force the shutdown of your computer, can be patient. Login in your desktop. And this is all. To verify, you can try right click in your desktop, select display settings and change this resolution in this option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.